Hi guys, Richard Shepherd here from Skrumpt. So thank you so much for downloading the Residential Valuations Toolbar for Chrome. These are the installation instructions to install the Residential Valuations Toolbar on a Mac. Okay, so basically you just received a link. With the link that you should download this chrome.zip file. Okay, so make sure that you don't have antivirus software on for now. Okay, shouldn't make that much difference, to be honest. What we're going to do is we're going to save this chrome.zip file somewhere on your computer where you can find it in the future. Okay, we're then going to go to Chrome. So we're in Chrome right now, and all we're going to do is click on the three dots to the top right hand side of your screen. We're then going to go down to Settings. Okay, and we're then going to click on Extensions. Okay, let's click on Extensions again. Now, what we need to do is just to make sure that this developer mode on the top right is on. Okay, and that if it's on, then we can see these three buttons over here, and the one that we actually want to click on is called Load Unpacked. We're going to click on Load Unpacked. We're then going to go to Downloads or wherever we've actually got this file. We're going to scroll down to this folder, which is RVT Chrome, which is Residential Valuations Toolbar Chrome. We're then going to click Select. Okay, and what that's done is that it's already installed the Residential Valuations Toolbar. So then we're going to click out of this. We're going to click out of this one. And in order to use it, all we need to do is to click on the jigsaw puzzle on the top right. We'll see that it's got this extension called Residential Valuations Toolbar. We're going to click on that. We're then going to input our postcode. So the postcode that I'm going to put in here is RG27DU. We're then going to click on Search, and hey presto, that will open 14 tabs in Chrome in relation to the postcode that you've just typed in, which is going to allow you to value that property instantly. Okay, happy hunting. I hope this serves you well, and I look forward to working with you soon.